How to make money with crypto. There's no denying that some cryptocurrency traders have turned out to be millionaires because of their profitable investments. What's not as typically mentioned is the nice quantity of people that have misplaced vital sums making an attempt to turn out to be wealthy by investing in crypto. Until you've an infinite danger tolerance, investing in cryptocurrency might not be a good selection for you. Nevertheless, should you're the kind of investor who's keen to shoulder monumental danger within the hopes of changing into wealthy, you need to a minimum of think about using some methods to attenuate danger whereas nonetheless providing vital upside. Listed here are a number of methods to perform that. Purchase the selloffs. In the event you're a believer within the long-term viability of cryptocurrency, you need to deal with your portfolio like a portfolio of shares. In different phrases, when there's a big dip within the crypto market, which occurs fairly commonly, that's your alternative to scoop up further cash or tokens. If you choose cryptos that show to be long-term winners, including to your funding when costs are low could be a good way to construct wealth. Follow cryptos that serve a goal. There are actually hundreds of cryptocurrencies you may commerce, however many, if not most, of those received ever quantity to something. Though chances are you'll get fortunate and earn money buying and selling any crypto, should you're seeking to construct long-term wealth, you'll must spend money on cryptos which have endurance. Learn the white papers on any cryptos you propose to spend money on to see how they're tied to the blockchain, what their utility is and the way they're higher/cheaper/sooner than any of their opponents. That is one of the simplest ways to filter out the long-term winners from the losers. Diversify your holdings. By their very nature, cryptocurrencies are speculative investments. In the event you danger your entire portfolio on a single crypto, your danger will increase exponentially. Simply as you need to with an inventory portfolio, diversify your crypto holdings among the many handful that you've got researched which have long-term viability. This could improve your probabilities of discovering long-term winners and decrease your danger of blowing up your total portfolio. Day trader. In the event you're in search of the very best danger, reward choice when making an attempt to get wealthy through cryptocurrency, think about day buying and selling. Cryptocurrency is so unstable that in the midst of even a single day you may typically earn vital sums. Simply notice that it's additionally extremely possible that you simply lose a big quantity of your funding. Shares are significantly much less unstable than cryptocurrency, but most beginner day merchants find yourself shedding cash. As crypto is much more unpredictable, the identical destiny awaits most crypto day merchants. However, in case you have perception as to the buying and selling patterns of a specific crypto, you could possibly have sufficient of an edge to make some positive aspects. Turn into a miner. In the event you're seeking to earn your solution to riches within the crypto area, quite than speculating straight out there, one choice is to turn out to be a miner. Crypto miners are rewarded with cash by validating transactions on the blockchain. To take action, they have to clear up extraordinarily sophisticated mathematical equations, which requires intensive computing energy. Nowadays, most mining is completed by firms with huge server farms processing equations 24/7, making it laborious for a person miner to compete. However, one solution to take part is by investing in a mining pool, during which a big group of traders pour their cash into an enormous mining operation, which has extra likelihood at succeeding. Simply keep in mind there are not any insurers within the mining area both. Take benefit of forks and airdrops. Forks and airdrops could not make you wealthy in a single day, however they're a good way to build up extra cryptocurrency, which will help you construct long-term wealth. Airdrops are primarily promotions of recent cryptocurrencies that builders launch to unfold consciousness and recognition. Forks happen when in present cryptocurrency adjustments or upgrades its protocol, which usually grants present holders free cash on the brand new or up-to-date community. In the event you can take part in both of those handouts, it's a good way to get free cryptocurrency. Make positive you perceive the dangers. Whatever the steps you are taking to attenuate your danger, investing in cryptocurrency is an inherently speculative enterprise. Some well-known traders, together with billionaire Warren Buffett, see no utility in any respect in cryptocurrency, whereas others suppose your complete asset class will finally crash to a valuation of zero. Whereas all of those methods will help cut back your danger, you need to solely make investments cash in cryptocurrency that you're keen to lose. Hopefully, stable analysis and a methodical funding technique will enable you to turn out to be wealthy by investing in crypto, however ensure you totally perceive the dangers concerned earlier than you began. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more content like this.